Welcome back, guys. So right now let's have the animation style we want to talk about now. So the current animation style I want to talk about is stop motion animation. So let's talk about stop motion animation. So right now I would say I want to create so to make sure hallucination does not happen, there's something we could do and we've learned so far. So I want to create a stop motion animation style, a stop motion animation style with the with an animation trigger to effect the stop motion animation style for two characters with different core character block for consistency. Yes, for consistency, create let the two characters intersect in different scenes while consistency is maintained. So this is perfect. So right now we could have this sense right now just to get the right prompts for this stop animation style. So let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to have this sense and let's see what we are going to generate with the prompts that will be given to us. So we've created different animation effects with flow right now, and we're integrating easily with flow since image effects uses imagen, and now we are on flow using imagen 4 right now. So let's see what the prompts would be like. So the animation trigger starts from here. So here we have an animation trigger, which is that, and we have the core character. So let's start with the animation trigger just to ease the the chances of having hallucination. So here we have this, and we have the character A. So I'm going to copy the character A right now and come here to paste that. The animation trigger is up there already. That will give us the animation effect. So I'm going to copy this, then come paste it right here to have it sent. Then we're going to have 4 images. Then we have the second character. The animation effect or trigger stays the same. We leave it, then we input the second character right there. So this is the first character set and this is the second character set. So let me copy this, and we're going to have the first character right here. So this is what the stop motion animation style looks like, as you could see right now. So we have this one eyes in common, but this on the left side. So if I were you, I'll choose one. So I'm going to go with this for now. So let's go with this. Then let's have the second animation, like character. So let me have this sent as well. So we're going to have that. Then we can now go to the intersection. So here intersection says same prompt formula, everything has been included. So what we have to do is just copy the intersection. That's just all we have to do. So I'm going to copy this, which has everything embedded, the animation trigger, the character, and the scene. So let's have the first scene. So you could see this is an example of stop motion and it's going good so far. So we have a consistent character right here. So we have a consistent character. So you can actually create different animation movies and character sets with this tutorial so far, what we discussed. So you're going to have them downloaded. And right now, let's have the scenes and let's see how they intersect together. So let's see what the intersection would look like. So right now, I'm waiting for the intersection, and so far we'll be able to get the animation style for stop motion, and there we are. So let's see our scene, and this is where they intersected, and this is good. This is good. Consistency checked and everything is okay. So I'm going to have this downloaded, as well. So I'm going to have this downloaded as well, and I'm going to have this downloaded as well. Then I'm going to have this downloaded as well. So there we are. So now let's check our character set. So I'm going to come to downloads to see what we have so far. So I'm going to open the main character, which is this, and we go on and on that way. So we have the first character right now, the second character, and here's the second character, and this is the intersection, which looks consistent enough. This particular stop motion just imitates physical object. As you could see right now, this looks like a pot, this looks like wool. So it's just an animation style that is crazy and it's nice. So that is this for this. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.